Hash brown, this is where we are.
I'm gonna get a
As
really exciting that coffee.
Beauty, this is great.
Oh, shit.
In your face.
Like it's on me. Literally camouflaged. OTD. Currently we're about to go get in Caspar Cove right now. It's a beautiful day. It looks like the clouds are gonna burn off soon. Doing the worst part, which is getting the wetsuit on. She's real tight. Oh my god, and she's real high waisted.
She's
hello.
realistic.
Cool. You do. Show them that. So I'm gonna be so buoyant. Yeah,
That's a bummer.
fucked up.
I'm sorry.
But we're so excited.
She is king of the rock. I don't know, we'll get the... Oh. Yep.
Our lemon pepper steppers. And we got the hood on. So,
Okay.
I'm in the men's wetsuit, obviously. Got the this mobility that I have. Yeah.
We're gonna do
5 feet viz.
it's okay, we persevere and we're gonna cull those sea urchins whether or not we can see them.
Facts. No printer.
Where do we get our and 3 and 2 and 1 struts?
We're focused mostly on this area over here, and you see there's like a shark fin rock there, and there's kelp around there, and that's where we've been working. Areas.
Okay.
You can even crush them from up top too as well.
Okay.
Because you don't have to dive down that deep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're gonna go out there and just pretty much swim out, go over the kelp, and then on the other side of it by the rock, the shark fin rock, you'll see a bunch of sea urchins.
Awesome.
We're here on the buoy, and we're waiting for everybody to get their swimming on. I got mine. Yay! So we can't really get many urchins, but I still got my hammer. And these little guys. Hi, little guys.
And your attitude, you're always loving, baby, and never rude. You make my life sunny and bright. I'll never let you go now, out my side. I'm gonna be my whole
Look at this ribbon.
around you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Because you're
Oh, pretty bow. Pretty bow. Oh.
I'll be there in times of need. I'll be your king and you my queen. Like an eagle protects its nest. My
Look, guys.
baby, I'll do my
We made it out alive.
You're the love of my life. Oh, yeah.
36, 37, 30.
Love of my life. You're the love of my life. My sweet baby. Love of my life.